Since December 1972, the moon has been a lonely, silent desert. For over 50 years, no human has traveled beyond low Earth orbit, but that silence is about to break. Very soon, the Orion spacecraft carrying 4 astronauts will journey around the moon, traveling further than any human has gone since the Apollo era. They won't land, not yet, but they will orbit the moon, disappear behind its far side, and return, testing humanity's path back into deep space. And as the world watches this mission unfold, one question is rising again. Why are we going back to the moon after half a century? Today we are breaking down the Artemis II mission from the beginner's basics of the rocket to the deeper mysteries that still surround our nearest neighbor. Buckle up because we are leaving Earth. Let's start simple. Think of Apollo program as a camping trip. You go, you explore, you come back. But Artemis program is different. This time we are planning to stay. Artemis II will be the first crewed mission of this new era. Instead of landing, it will perform a lunar flyby, orbiting the moon and returning safely to Earth. This rocket powering this mission is the Space Launch System, one of the most powerful rockets ever built, producing around 8.8 million pounds of thrust. And the crew? For the first time in lunar history, a diverse team of astronauts will make this journey. Reed Wiseman, Victor Glover, Christina Koch, and Jeremy Hansen. One key technique they will use is called a free return trajectory, a path that uses the moon's gravity to naturally bring the spacecraft back to Earth. It is not just engineering, it is totally physics. Now let's go deeper. Why is the moon suddenly important again? The answer lies near its south pole. Over the past decade, multiple missions including Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter and Chandrayaan-1 have confirmed something incredible. There is water ice hidden in permanently shadowed craters. These regions have not seen sunlight for billions of years, and this ice is more valuable than gold because water can be split into hydrogen, rocket fuel, oxygen, breathable air. This turns the moon into a potential refueling station for future space missions. Artemis II itself won't land or directly study these regions, but it plays a critical role. It tests the systems that will allow future missions like Artemis III to reach and explore them. The moon is no longer just a destination. It is becoming a stepping stone. Now here's something less talked about. The moon's gravity is not perfectly uniform. There are regions called mass concentrations where gravity is slightly stronger due to dense material beneath the surface. These were first discovered during the Apollo missions. Scientists believe they formed from ancient asteroid impacts that compressed dense material under the lunar crust. For spacecraft, this matters because as they orbit the moon, these regions can suddenly alter their trajectory, requiring constant correction. It is not a dramatic pull, but it's a reminder. Even something that looks lifeless still hides complexity beneath the surface. When the spacecraft moves behind the moon, something fascinating happens. Communication with Earth is temporarily lost. This is known as radio blackout. For a brief period, the crew is completely cut off. No signals, no contact, just silence. During this time, they will pass over one of the most extreme regions in the solar system, the South Pole. It is the largest and deepest impact basin on the moon. From orbit, it appears vast, enshrined and scarred by billions of years of history. No confirmed artificial structure, no hidden civilizations, just raw, untouched geology. But sometimes, reality itself is mysterious enough. As the astronauts look back at Earth, they may experience something known as the overview effect, a shift in perspective. From space, borders disappear, conflicts feel smaller, And Earth becomes what it truly is, a fragile blue world floating in darkness. Missions like Artemis are not just about exploration, they're about perspective. Sometimes to understand home, you have to leave it. Artemis II is only the beginning. The next step, Artemis III, aims to land humans near the lunar South Pole for the first time in history. Humanity is preparing to return, not just to visit, but to feel, explore, and stay. And now I want to ask you, if you were given the chance to go to the moon, would you take it, or would you choose to stay and protect the only home we have ever known? If you made it this far, you are not just watching, you are thinking. Like the video if you believe the moon still holds secrets, and subscribe for more deep dives into the cosmos. And comment lunar so I know you are here till the end. Until next time, keep looking at the stars, but don't forget where you stand.